Hello friends, welcome to your favorite most wanted YouTube channel Government Job News. Friends, in my last video most of you told me my talking speed quite high. So from this video I shall try to speak little bit slowly. Friends, you can control the speed of any video by choosing playback speed from 3 dots to the top right corner of every video. Friends, Indian Statistical Institute ISI Kolkata recruiting in its various vacant posts for its headquarters in Kolkata. Minimum qualification required class only 8 pass. Friends, so before starting the full details video, I request to my all new friends, please subscribe my channel and click on notification bell icon so that you will get fast notification of my next videos, and please share with your friends. Friends, Indian Statistical Institute ISI Kolkata advertisement number REC 6 2021 3 Kolkata, date 30/6/21. Indian Statistical Institute, an institute of national importance under the aegis of Ministry of Statistical and Program Implementation, Government of India GOI, invite application from eligible Indian nationals for requirement of its following vacant post for its headquarters Kolkata and other outlying center branches and unit. The posts are as follows. First of all, engineer electrical A, vacancy UR1 SC1, pay scale 44,900 to 1,42,400 in pay level 7. Age below 35 year, qualification a good BE or equivalent degree in electrical engineering, 2 years experience is desirable. Place of posting Kolkata and Delhi. Next post, engineering assistant civil A, vacancy UR2 1 SC/ST, pay scale same, age also same, below 35. Qualification and experience required higher secondary 10+2 or equivalent with a diploma of at least 3 years and 1 year practical experience. Initial place of posting Kolkata, Delhi, Giridih. Next post, engineering assistant electrical, vacancy 2 UR OBC 1, same wise pay scale, pay level 6. Here also pay level 6. And the initial place of posting Kolkata, Bangalore. Next post, electrician A, number of vacancy 9, SC2 OBC 2, pay scale 21,700 to 69,100 as per pay level 3. Age below 35, school final or equivalent with ITI certificate qualification, and experience required with permit equivalent to electrical wireman class 1 B 2 3 4. Initial posting Kolkata, Giridih, Bangalore. The next post is operator cum mechanic lift A, vacancy number of vacancy 6 for UR SC/ST SC OBC 11, pay scale 21,700 to 69,100 as per pay level 3. Age below 35, same wise. Minimum qualification class 8 with ITI trade certificate of electrician or equivalent, or school final or equivalent. Self process lift operator license and permit equivalent to electrical wireman class 1B with at least 5-year experience in routine maintenance or operator and operation of lift in reputed institute or company. Initial posting Kolkata. Next post driver, vacancy UR1, pay scale as per pay level 3, 21,700 to 69,100. Age below same wise, age below 35. Qualification experience, school final or equivalent with knowledge and experience of driving all type of vehicle. Must possess driving license of both light and heavy vehicle. Initial posting Kolkata. Next post cook A, vacancy 1 for EWS, economically weaker section. Pay scale 19,900 to 63,200 as per pay level 2. Same wise age below 35. Essential qualification and experience, higher secondary 10+2 or equivalent with a trade certificate or diploma in cooking from recognized institute. Initial place of posting Kolkata. Next post library assistant. Number of post UR5 SC1. Pay scale same wise and age also same wise, below 35. Qualification HS with trade certificate with certificate in library science from recognized institute with knowledge of typing, computer operation and data entry. Place of posting initially Kolkata or Delhi. Next post laboratory assistant, vacancy 3, OBC 1. Pay scale same, age also same. Qualification HS with relevant subject or in relevant vocational stream with 1 year experience in relevant relevant field. Knowledge of computer operation and data entry essential. Initial posting Kolkata. Next post assistant report photo, vacancy 1 SC/ST 1 OBC nil UR1. Pay scale same, age also same. Essential qualification 10+2 and preferably in science with relevant subject or in relevant vocational stream with 1 year training or experience in relevant field. Knowledge of computer operation, data entry. Initial posting Kolkata. Next assistant firm, vacancy UR1. Pay scale same, age also same, below 35. Essential qualification higher secondary 10+2, preferably in science with relevant subject on relevant vocational stream with 1 year training or experience in relevant field. Knowledge of computer operation and data entry. Initial posting Giridih. Age relaxation also given as per Government of India. Upper age limit is relaxable 5 years for the candidate belonging ST/ST, SC/ST and 3 years for OBC. Here important dates are: date of opening of online application 1 July 2021, 12 hours, and closing date of application 23rd July 2021, 14 hours. Friends, I have given you all information in details. I will give the link of notification to my description box. Please go through the link and please subscribe my channel. It will gives me inspiration, motivation, energy to do for more videos. Gives you more job updates. Hope you will get job and best of luck. See you on the next video.